For researchers and creators, long-form video is often a data bottleneck. You might find a 30-minute tutorial, but extracting the specific insights you need usually requires scrubbing through the entire timeline manually. We can automate this process using an AI pipeline. Instead of manual viewing, this system ingests the raw footage and compresses it into a structured data format in a matter of seconds. The resulting document is divided into 3 parts: a full transcript, a concise summary of the spoken content, and a visual scene analysis. To build this, you will need an N8N account for the automation, a Google Gemini API key for the analysis, and a public YouTube link to process. Establishing this pipeline transforms how you interact with video, moving from passive watching to an instant, scalable data extraction engine. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio dashboard to generate your unique API key, giving N8N permission to use Gemini. It is important to note a common security risk. Pasting your API key into a raw text field makes it visible to anyone viewing the workflow. Instead, save the key within N8N's credential manager. Use an environment variable. We'll name ours Gemini key, to keep the credentials encrypted and secure. Once the key is saved, verify the connection. A green success checkmark confirms your automation can communicate with Google's AI. With credentials set, we move to the N8N workflow canvas to build the ingestion logic. Add a set or input node to the canvas. Here, you will paste the URL of the YouTube video to analyze. For this workflow to function, the video must be public. It cannot have age restrictions or require a private login. Gemini servers require direct access to the video file to scrape the data. This diagram shows how private or age-gated videos create a firewall that blocks the AI from ingesting the content. Execute this input node now. You should see the URL data pass through successfully. Verifying this public link and securing your API key provides the necessary foundation for the AI to begin its analysis. Now, add a Gemini AI node to your canvas, connecting it directly to the output of your input node. In the note settings, you must select a multimodal model. Gemini 1.5 Flash or 2.0 Flash are the recommended options for this task. Multimodal models process different data types at once. They don't just read transcripts, they simultaneously scan the audio and visual frames of the video. Our prompt will instruct the AI to perform 3 distinct types of data extraction. The first part of the prompt asks for a concise summary of the spoken video. The second part requests actionable insights, the creator's core arguments. Finally, it asks for a visual scene breakdown, identifying specific objects, people, or on-screen actions. This visual breakdown allows the system to identify ideal B-roll or shareable social media clips without a human ever watching the footage. Execute the full workflow. Watch the nodes process the data as the AI analyzes the content. Once the processing status is complete, open the final output node to see the results. You now have a clearly structured document containing the text summary, key insights, and a detailed breakdown of every visual scene. Configuring this multimodal prompt provides the logic required for a comprehensive, automated video analysis engine. This workflow has successfully cataloged both the spoken and visual contents of the video in a matter of seconds. This system removes the need to manually scrub through hour-long tutorials or lectures to find the information you need. To scale this, you can add nodes to automatically route this data into a database like Notion or Airtable. You can also extend the workflow to automatically format these extracted insights into draft blog posts or social media captions. This basic AI pipeline provides the tools to automate the cataloging of entire video channels. Subscribe for more advanced automation strategies.